guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing 2,000 vinyl stickers. This is a mystery pack that I got from TheCookeCo and I am super excited about this. These are high quality premium vinyl stickers. I got two 1,000 mystery bulk vinyls. They're typically $220 a piece, and I used a discount code because I'm in their VIS group that I pay a 6-month membership for a 20% discount code, but you can use my discount code BAMF for 10% off anything on the website. So with that being said, I also wanted to note that when you saw me pull out the package, you saw that there were 4 packages and they were all kind of mixed up. I do want to let you know that typically they are packaged by design, so individually bagged by design versus a bunch of them in one bag. So that was just a miscommunication with their packing people. And so typically they will come individually, which will make it easier and less likely to stick to one another and things like that. So TheCookeCo makes all of their vinyl stickers in-house. They are super high quality, and when I say super high quality, I mean that I've compared them to multiple different sticker companies, and you literally cannot beat the quality for the price that you're paying. You really can't, because they're one of the more inexpensive companies to buy vinyl stickers from, but they also have one of the highest quality vinyl stickers out of the companies that I have ordered sample packs from to compare. I will have a blog associated with this YouTube video to explain price differences between TheCookeCo and other vinyl sticker companies, just to show you the difference. But I love TheCookeCo because they're a small business and they're using designs from small business designers creating these stickers. You can also get custom stickers made. I've had custom stickers made all the time. They're super inexpensive, decent shipping. Shipping is free on top of that. And it's just high quality. You really can't beat it. So all of these designs, most of them are new. I'm really excited about them. I think they're so cute. These are glossy stickers, which like if you order vinyl stickers from Sticker Mule, they're matte. So I really like these glossy stickers. You can stick them anywhere. I have them all over my shelves and my packing station, and they're fun. Your question may be, what do you do with vinyl stickers? Well, ordering them in bulk brings the cost for you down significantly, and they are great freebies in orders. So here I'm comparing the Sticker Mule stickers and the TheCookeCo. TheCookeCo also has holographic stickers. They just added new designs I'm super excited about. So not only can you use these as freebies in packaging that won't cost you barely anything, and it's just something nice for your customer, you can also buy them in bulk like I do here and then resell them. So I have these listed on my website, and I'm going to show you how I take pictures of my vinyl stickers and how I edit them and watermark them so that they're ready to be posted on my website. I also will link below how I'm organizing this. I got this like 6-drawer clear case from Michaels that is amazing. I have 3 of them and I love them. And then I got these little cup things off of Amazon, which fit the stickers perfectly into these drawers. So I have them all organized and everything else. There's also tip out bins that you can get from Uline that I use for my sticker cows. I have them in my wall. So it really all depends on how you want your vinyl stickers displayed. If you want them in drawers for easy storage, or if you have the wall space to use the tip out bins, which I will also link below with my recommendation. So here we are going to start photographing our vinyl stickers. So I have an iPhone Pro Max 11, and what I do is I just take pictures on my phone. I use my ring light. The background that you're seeing here is literally leftover tile like peel and stick tile on a poster board. So what I do is you can peel off the whole backing or just a corner of it. I usually take one of each vinyl sticker design that I have and stick it on my desk. And then you just stick it to your finger, hold it up, and then take your picture. So make sure that you press where the image is, and that way the light is more focused on that. This is contact paper that I got from either Amazon or Walmart, or actually, it could have been the Dollar Tree. But what I'm doing here is I'm bringing it closer so that the background is a little bit blurred, and then taking pictures of the sticker. Here is another background that I have. Again, this is contact paper that is on poster board. Super easy to make. I can make a tutorial on how to do that. It's super easy and inexpensive. But I am just making it focus, making the background a little blurred so that the main focus of the image is the sticker. So now I'm going to probably speed up the video a little bit and show you me taking pictures of a lot of the vinyl stickers. You can also, which I think I might also have in this video, I have to look, I filmed this a while ago. Since I have a desk full of stickers and I literally have like collages of stickers everywhere, you can also do this above that. So for example, here this is the drawer that has all my vinyl stickers in it. So what you can do is have a good angle where you don't have too many shadows, and then you have your sticker on your finger like you would before, but in the background you have a bunch of stickers. So there's a lot going on. You can also take a pin and set the sticker on top of it, and then have the same sticker all around it. And there's also a way to do this digitally, so completely up to you. So once you've taken all of your pictures, what you're going to do is go to Lightroom. This is my favorite photo editing app. When you go into Lightroom, you're going to add all the photos from your camera roll that you just took. So this is me adding all the photos, and I use presets in Lightroom. I bought presets from Holly Mistella. I use them literally for professional and personal use because they are amazing and make my life 100 times easier. So what I do first is I'm going to crop the image. I like to make them all the same. So for these stickers, I'm making them a 1x1 square, but it's really up to you. The 1x1 square, in my opinion, is just better for like posting on Instagram and then also using on Shopify to have your product images. Once you crop and rotate, you're going to click the check mark, and then you're going to scroll over to presets if you have downloaded the presets. These are all the presets that come with Holly Mistella's Lightroom presets. They are available on Android and your phone. I'm not sure if it's available on your computer, but highly recommend. It's what I use for all of my products, my tumblers, everything. I pick the preset that best brings out the color of the image. So I try not to distort the colors in the images the best that I can because I want to show the true color, but I also want the photo to look like great quality. So once you have edited all of your photos, you're going to click the three little dots, you're going to click select, and then you are going to select all of the photos that you want to export to your camera roll. And so this feels like it's a long process. In reality, it didn't take me that long. So share, export to camera roll, and then it's going to save all the photos to your camera roll. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do is watermark your photos. You don't want people stealing your photos, so I use this Watermark Light app. I have the light version, and I'm going to click on templates. I'm going to make a template for myself. You're going to click the plus, hit the library. Now, I got my watermark from Sweet Baby Blue Designs, and it's amazing. It's perfect. So I am going and adding the photo that I want. It's going to add, when you make a template, it's going to ask you to select a photo as an example. So I selected one of the stickers, and then what I'm doing is I'm making it large enough to fit over the entire screen. Then what you're going to do is hit that little minus sign to change down the opacity. I did it to about 20% where you can still see, actually I did it 10% apparently, but you can still see the image, but you can also see its copyright. So then you save it, enter your template name. So I just did square stickers. And then once I did that, I went back, so there it is, square sticker, and then I clicked multiple images that I wanted to do. So for select template, I clicked square sticker, and then I selected the template again for square sticker because it asked for landscape and horizontal photos. Then I go in and I select all the photos that I just edited and saved from Lightroom. And what this does is it watermarks all of them at once, and it takes 2 seconds. It's awesome. All of them are done. You can go through and double check everything. If it's good for you, then you can keep going. If you don't like how the photo is watermarked, you can also skip it. So once you save it, it's going to automatically save to your camera roll, and then you are done. Now, I did want to show a little clip in here on how you could make your own watermark using Canva. Canva does have a free version of it. I love Canva. It's great for everything. But what you can do is I usually open a logo template, I add a heading, and then what you can do is just add your company name, your do not copy, property of, blah, 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 whatever you want it to do, and then repeat it over and over. And then when you're done, you're going to save it with transparency and then upload it to upload it to the Watermark app the same way you did the other one. So super easy. Once you're done watermarking your photos, and editing your photos, you can go ahead and post them for sale on your website, and then you're done. So this is me. What am I? I'm adding more information. So once you're done doing this is me just messing around with Canva. I highly recommend getting Canva. I have an account that I pay for, and 10 out of 10 recommend. It's amazing. You can use it for Facebook, Instagram, your business, emails, all kinds of stuff. I use it for everything. So then you're going to save it. See the save with transparency. You're going to click that. It's going to automatically save it to your camera roll. And then here are our final pictures. So I thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, comment below, and I will see you guys next time.